If you're just getting started in the world of wheel guns, welcome to the club. It's a fun path to walk, but for beginners, the sheer number of options can feel like stepping into a maze. Maybe you've got your eye on a revolver chambered in .357 Magnum. You're not alone, this classic cartridge draws plenty of first-time shooters. The big question is, which revolver should you start with? There's no shortage of choices out there, but don't worry, we're going to break down some of the most beginner-friendly .357 Magnum revolvers available today. Each one balances performance, reliability, and user-friendliness, making them solid picks for someone new to the shooting sports. Whether you're heading to the range, looking for a home defense option, or just want something dependable, this guide will help you make a confident and informed choice. Let's dig into the lineup. Smith & Wesson Model 327 TRR8. The Smith & Wesson Model 327 TRR8 is a fantastic option for folks just stepping into revolver territory. It sits on the robust N-frame, Smith's largest revolver frame, but thanks to a lightweight scandium alloy, it weighs in at just over 34 ounces, so it's surprisingly manageable for its size. What makes the TRR8 really shine is its versatility. You get both double-action and single-action capability. The double-action pull is around 7 pounds, 11 ounces, while the single-action breaks crisply at just 2 pounds, 4 ounces, great for precise shot placement. This revolver carries 8 rounds of .357 Magnum and features a 5-inch barrel that's housed inside a shrouded assembly for added durability and accuracy. One standout feature is the interchangeable front sight system, stocked with a high-visibility gold bead that's easy to pick up in all lighting conditions. The rear sight is fully adjustable, making windage and elevation tweaks a breeze. For grip, it's outfitted with a Hogue rubber monogrip that includes finger grooves and offers solid recoil control. And if that doesn't fit your hand just right, no worries. Grip swaps are easy, allowing you to tailor the feel exactly to your liking. Chiappa Rhino 40DS. The Chiappa Rhino 40DS is unlike any revolver you've seen before. With its modern, almost sci-fi design, it's an eye-catcher. But it's not just about looks. The Rhino is especially beginner-friendly thanks to one major design choice. The barrel sits low in the frame, firing from the bottom chamber instead of the top. That lower bore axis dramatically reduces muzzle rise, meaning less felt recoil and better control shot to shot, even with hot .357 Magnum loads. It's a huge plus for anyone who's still getting used to revolver recoil management. The frame is crafted from aluminum alloy to keep things light, while the barrel and cylinder are made from steel for strength and durability. It also features attractive walnut grips, offering both comfort and control with a touch of old-school elegance. An internal safety system adds peace of mind, helping to guard against accidental discharges. The 4-inch barrel makes it versatile for both range time and carry use, and despite its unique look, the revolver is actually quite intuitive to operate. It weighs about 1.87 pounds and has an overall length of around 8½ inches. The flat-sided, hexagonal cylinder keeps weight down and adds to its distinct profile. For those just getting started, the Rhino 40DS delivers modern ergonomics, smart safety features, and a manageable recoil experience, ideal for a first revolver. Taurus Tracker 627. If you're after a more traditional revolver design that's still packed with beginner-friendly features, the Taurus Tracker 627 is tough to beat. This stainless steel 6-shooter is built to last and balances power with control in a way that's perfect for new shooters. What sets it apart is the ported barrel system, vent cuts near the muzzle that act as a built-in muzzle brake, venting gases upward to tame recoil. It makes shooting .357 Magnum a lot more comfortable even during longer practice sessions. The Tracker's frame and cylinder are forged from durable stainless steel, built to take a beating without breaking a sweat. The adjustable low-profile sights give you the ability to dial in your point of aim, and they stay out of the way if you ever decide to holster it. Comfort-wise, Taurus designed the grip with a beginner's learning curve in mind. The ergonomic rubber grip fits most hands well, and the textured surface keeps your hold steady under recoil. As for safety, the Tracker includes both the Taurus security system, which can lock the action for storage, and a transfer bar safety, preventing accidental discharge if the revolver is dropped. It's a reliable, easy-to-maintain revolver that delivers confidence with every trigger pull, ideal for someone learning the ropes of handgun shooting. Ruger LCR. Up next, we've got the Ruger LCR, a go-to revolver for folks who want a lightweight, no-nonsense option that's easy to carry and shoot. For anyone just getting into firearms, this compact revolver offers a smooth introduction without sacrificing performance. What makes the LCR stand out is its smart engineering. The frame is built using a high-strength aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, while the fire control housing is constructed from rugged polymer. Together, these materials cut down weight without compromising on durability. You can comfortably carry it all day without feeling weighed down. This variant comes with an exposed hammer, giving you the option to shoot in both single-action and double-action modes depending on the situation. The hammer spur is shortened and angled, what Ruger calls a sweepback design, which helps prevent snagging on clothing or holsters during fast draws. As for ergonomics, Ruger equips this wheel gun with Hogue Tamer monogrips. These rubber grips help tame recoil even when you're running hot Magnum loads, making it easier for new shooters to stay in control. The sight setup includes a fixed rear U-notch and a ramp-style front sight. Fast target acquisition is the name of the game here, and if you want to customize, the front sight is easily swappable for aftermarket options. Overall, the Ruger LCR is a lightweight, user-friendly revolver that offers a rock-solid foundation for new shooters. It's reliable, easy to use, and won't punish your hands at the range, making it an ideal first revolver for concealed carry or everyday defense. Kimber K6S. If you're stepping into the world of .357 Magnum revolvers and want something compact with a premium feel, the Kimber K6S should definitely be on your shortlist. Built from solid stainless steel, this revolver balances strength with concealability, offering an ideal platform for both new and seasoned concealed carriers. One thing that immediately sets the K6S apart is its 6-round capacity. While most snub-nose revolvers only give you 5 shots, this one packs in an extra round without significantly increasing the size and edge worth having when every shot counts. Comfort is key here. The revolver features soft black rubber grips that offer excellent traction and cushioning. If you're new to carrying daily, this helps reduce fatigue and ensures a steady, confident grip even with extended wear. Simplicity rules the sighting system. You get a low-profile rear sight that's dovetailed into the frame, making it easy to change out. And a front blade with a white dot that helps you find your target fast, even in lower light. But the biggest selling point for beginners might be the match-grade trigger. It's smooth, clean, and consistent, giving you that extra bit of confidence when you're lining up a shot. There's also an internal hammer, which gives the K6S a sleek, snag-free profile, ideal for concealed carry without worrying about catching on your clothing. With its refined build, smooth operation, and carry-friendly size, the Kimber K6S makes an outstanding option for anyone new to revolvers, especially if you're leaning toward concealed carry. Smith & Wesson Model 627 Pro Series. If you're looking for a revolver that blends high-end performance with all-around versatility, the Smith & Wesson Model 627 Pro Series delivers across the board. This full-size revolver is crafted entirely from stainless steel and built to easily handle the power of .357 Magnum ammunition without beating up the shooter. With a matte stainless finish that reduces glare and looks sharp, the 627 Pro is just as comfortable at the range as it is beside the bed. It sports an 8-round cylinder, giving you more firepower than the typical 6-shooter, great for everything from home defense to competitive use. One of the most impressive features is the tuned trigger system. The single-action pull is crisp and predictable, allowing for pinpoint accuracy, while the double action is smooth enough for controlled follow-up shots. That consistency helps new shooters develop good habits and hit targets with confidence. The revolver is outfitted with an ergonomic grip that fits naturally in the hand and helps reduce fatigue during extended shooting sessions. Another bonus is the moon clip compatibility, which makes reloads lightning fast. If you prefer old-school methods, traditional speed loaders also work great, giving you flexibility in how you run the gun. Customization is also part of the package. The front sight is interchangeable, so you can easily upgrade to a fiber optic or night sight. The adjustable rear sight allows precise tweaks for windage and elevation, giving you full control over how the revolver shoots. All things considered, the Smith & Wesson 627 Pro Series is a high-performance revolver that's surprisingly approachable for beginners. Whether you're learning the ropes or just want a capable wheel gun that can grow with your skills, this one's a rock-solid investment. Colt Python. If you're drawn to classic styling but want modern-day performance, the Colt Python strikes a perfect balance between heritage and high-functioning hardware. For those just stepping into the revolver world, it's an outstanding place to start. The Python's biggest asset for beginners is its incredibly smooth double-action trigger pull, which helps new shooters stay accurate and in control. The single-action mode is crisp and clean, ideal for those learning precision marksmanship. The finish on the Python is something to behold. That bright, polished stainless steel isn't just for looks, it also holds up well against rust and wear. Colt used modern stainless alloys and precise CNC machining to re-engineer the revolver for durability and reliability while staying true to its iconic profile. Gripping this revolver feels like holding a piece of history. The factory walnut stocks, complete with the signature gold Colt medallions, look stunning and provide a secure, comfortable grip. The ergonomics are on point, offering a confident hold whether you're shooting at the range or running drills. The sight system is built for real-world performance. The rear sight is fully adjustable and the ramp-style front sight makes for fast target acquisition. Whether you're shooting up close or stretching it out, the Python delivers consistent, pinpoint accuracy. A major plus for new shooters is the variety of barrel lengths available. You can go with a shorter version for easier carry or a longer barrel for better balance and sight radius. That flexibility means you can experiment with different styles and find what works best, all without needing to buy a whole new gun. So if you're looking for a revolver that feels like a luxury piece, shoots like a competition gun, and gives you options to grow into, the Colt Python is an exceptional choice. Ruger GP100. Taking the #1 spot on our list for new shooters is the Ruger GP100. Among all the wheel guns chambered in .357 Magnum, this one stands tall as a rugged, reliable, and highly shootable revolver that's tailor-made for beginners. What makes the GP100 such a hit with new shooters is its unbeatable combination of build quality, smooth operation, and easy handling. It's known for running flawlessly even in tough conditions, rain, dirt, or long days at the range. This revolver won't let you down. Balance and control are where it really shines. The weight is distributed just right, giving you enough mass to soak up recoil without making it feel overly heavy in the hand. That's a huge plus when you're running hot .357 Magnum loads. The barrel is cold hammer-forged, a premium manufacturing method that enhances accuracy and longevity. Depending on your preference, you can choose from 3-inch, 4-inch, or 6-inch barrel lengths. The standard configuration offers a 6-shot cylinder, though some variants bump that up to 10 rounds, a rare but welcome bonus in the revolver world. Durability is off the charts. The stainless steel cylinder features a physical vapor deposition coating, which boosts wear resistance and keeps the finish looking clean after thousands of rounds. Whether you're storing it long-term or running regular practice drills, it'll hold up. The factory rubber grips are soft yet secure, doing a fantastic job of absorbing recoil while maintaining control. And thanks to the modular grip frame, it's easy to swap out for aftermarket options to get the feel just right in your hand. One of the standout engineering features is the triple locking cylinder, a design that locks the cylinder securely at 3 separate points, improving both alignment and consistency. That added precision translates to better accuracy on target. The built-in transfer bar safety ensures the hammer can't drop unless the trigger is pulled fully, giving peace of mind when carrying or storing the gun. For a first revolver that combines rock-solid safety, real-world performance, and long-term reliability, the Ruger GP100 is simply tough to beat. Every revolver we've covered today stands out for its own reasons, whether it's the refined elegance of the Colt Python, the lightweight innovation of the Ruger LCR, or the tank-tough reliability of the Ruger GP100. Each one offers beginner shooters a strong foundation, both in performance and confidence. Whichever model you choose, you're stepping into a tradition of craftsmanship and control that few other platforms can match. Just remember, safety first, fundamentals always, and most of all, enjoy the ride. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more deep dives into the world of revolvers, rifles, and all things that go bang. Until next time, shoot straight, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.